Have you ever wished that you could get the recipe for your favorite menu selection at Olive Garden, Cheesecake Factory, Applebee's, Red Lobster, Chili's, Outback Steakhouse, TGI Fridays, Ruby Tuesday, or one of the many other restaurants out there? Now, wouldn't it be nice if you could have your own chef dissect and figure out the exact recipe so that you could copy it and make it yourself at home? And wow, just think of the money that you could save. If you eat out once a week, it can cost you as much as $180 a month. Now, wouldn't it be nice to have it only cost you as much as a few extra grocery items? Is this possible? RealSecretRecipes.com